Welcome to I Want to Band 9, and today's lesson is on clothing. So I'll give you example questions from part 1, part 2 and part 3. In part 2 I'll give 2 examples. One example will be for casual clothing and the second example will be for a formal item of women's clothing called the qipao. Okay, let's get started. And here's our examples of clothing part 1 questions. And our first question is, what types of clothes do you like to wear? Do you have any special clothing for special occasions? When you buy clothing, do you think of the quality or the price? And how important do you think it is to be fashionable? Alright, let's get started on putting these answers together. So here's our first part 1 question on what types of clothes do you like to wear. And here you need to make present tense sentences and obviously change the I like, alright, and use something like I prefer or I'm really into. Then you need to give, well, what types of clothing do you like? And we have general types like sports clothing or formal clothing or just casual clothing, whatever one you like. But then you need to give examples of that clothing. And in this example here I'm saying, well, I like sports clothing, and I'm giving examples of clothing such as tracksuit pants, trainers, and then you need to give reasons, well, why you like these types of clothing. And you need to use adjectives, and I'm saying here, well, they're 实用的, they're practical, they're easy to clean, they're easy to maintain. And then the last one here, a bit of an English saying, is they don't cost an arm and a leg, as a 一大笔钱, which is great. Makes a good impression to the examiner. Alright, let's put this together. I'm really into sports clothing such as tracksuit pants, t-shirts and trainers. They're practical, easy to clean and maintain, and they don't cost an arm and a leg. Now in the second example I've got here, it's pretty much like the first example here. Well, we use we make a present tense sentences, changing the words like I like, and you say, well, I prefer or I'm really into. Give examples of the clothing such as, so I'm saying here, if we look at our keywords, I'm into casual clothing, 休闲服, and casual clothes, and examples are jeans, sneakers, and then I'm saying, well, why, or give 2 reasons why you like this type of clothing, and using adjectives, of course. And in this case I'm saying here that they're durable, or you can say durable and long lasting. It's like 耐用的, okay? I'm also saying that they're well priced. And then in the last part, if we look at our answer tips here, I'm saying you've got let's use a comparison and maybe compare when you might wear some other types of clothing and why. And in this case here, you would start that sentence with, well, although if I've got a, and I'm saying, well, if I've got a 约会, if I've got a date, you say you might dress up a bit, I should say. And then, you might wear something a little bit more formal, okay? All right, let's put that together. Normally, I prefer wearing casual clothing such as jeans, t-shirts and sneakers. They're durable, long-lasting and well-priced. Although, if I've got a date, I like to dress up a bit and wear something a little more formal.